In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve tickets faster as a Zendesk agent. Working efficiently in Zendesk not only boosts your productivity, but it also enhances the customer experience, creating a win-win situation for you and your clients. Let's dive right in to see how you can streamline your workflow and resolve tickets more quickly. First, when you open the Zendesk platform, make sure you're familiar with the layout and know where everything is located. Familiarity is key. Once you're comfortable, begin by reviewing the open tickets in your queue. This initial assessment is crucial because it allows you to prioritize tickets based on urgency and complexity. Knowing which tickets to tackle first saves you time in the long run, ensuring that high priority issues are addressed quickly. Now, let's move on to crafting your responses. A powerful tip here is leveraging pre-written responses or templates for common inquiries. Instead of typing out each reply from scratch, have a set of templates ready to go. This approach not only speeds up your response time, but ensures consistency in the quality of information you provide to your customers. In Zendesk, these are called macros. To use them, look at the current ticket you're working on and start by typing your initial thoughts or draft into the reply section. This way, your response can be personalized even further if needed. Next, you'll want to make the most of Zendesk's macros feature. Located in the same area where you type your reply, you'll see an option called Apply Macro. Click on Apply Macro to open a list of available macros that you can use. Macros are essentially shortcuts to apply a set of instructions to your tickets at once, covering everything from greetings and apologies to offering solutions for common problems. If your company has preset macros for specific issues, it's wise to use them, as they're customized to reflect your company's tone and policies. Once you've selected the appropriate macro, apply it by clicking on it from the list. Make sure to read through the message generated by the macro to ensure it fits the context of your conversation perfectly. Sometimes a slight tweak or additional sentence might be necessary to personalize the customer's experience. Macros also ensure you're not missing critical information that should be included in your replies, enhancing both accuracy and completeness. By utilizing these steps in Zendesk, you'll find yourself solving tickets much more efficiently. This method doesn't just speed up your workflow, it also allows you to provide high-quality service consistently, helping to maintain customer satisfaction and highlighting your expertise as a Zendesk agent. Keep practicing these steps to get more comfortable, and soon solving tickets will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more efficient ticket resolution process.